Are you wondering what it actually costs to install a tankless water heater in your home, or whether it's worth it? In this video, we'll break down the full picture of pricing, from the units themselves to installation, venting, and what impacts your total cost. No fluff, just facts.
Get Eco.
At Eco, our licensed plumbers, electricians, and HVAC technicians prefer to install tankless water heaters whenever possible, because we found they're the most reliable, efficient, and long-lasting systems available. But how much does it cost? Is the first question almost every homeowner asks us. And the honest answer is, it depends. So let's walk through what you can expect to pay and why. There are a wide range of brands, but we prefer Navien and Bradford White, both condensing and non-condensing. And the price for just the units by themselves, not including material or labor, usually falls between $2,000 and $3,000, depending on model types. For example, Navien's NPE series or Bradford's RTG series. BTU capacity from 150,000 BTU to 199,000 BTU, depending on your home size and usage. Built-in features like recirculation pumps or Wi-Fi controls will help you choose the right size for your home, because an oversized or undersized unit can cost you more in the long run. The total cost of installation includes more than just hanging the unit on the wall. Here's what drives your total bill. Venting requirements, especially for condensing models. Upgrades to plumbing or gas lines. Electrical work for features like recirculation. Permits and inspection requirements in your area. And of course, labor and materials. At Eco, a typical full install runs anywhere from $5,500 to $7,500, but more complex setups like relocating the heater or retrofitting older systems can cost a bit more. Here are a few real-world examples from recent Eco clients. A standard install for a 1 to 3 person home less than 2,000 square feet, we would recommend the Navien NPE 180A2 series or the Bradford RTGS model. Minimum venting, roughly around $5,500. Mid-size home, 1 to 4 people, 2,000 to 2,600 square feet, we would recommend the Bradford RTGR series. Gas line upgrade, removal of the old water heater, typically around $6,600. For our premium series, we recommend the Navien NPE 240A2, highly efficient model, recirculation system, internal buffer tank, and a venting overhaul, roughly around $7,500. Please remember that these are just example figures. We'll always give you a written quote with transparent pricing, true to your home before any work begins. We've worked with almost every major tankless brand, and we choose Navien and Bradford because they lead the industry in energy efficiency and low emissions. Their warranty support is rock solid, and they last. We've seen units last well over a decade with minimal maintenance. When you're investing in something that heats every shower, every dish cycle, every bath, it needs to work reliably. Navien and Bradford White do just that. If you're thinking about going tankless, talk to our team. We'll help you determine which tankless model fits your home size and usage, what kind of insulation is needed, and what your total project cost will be before you commit. Just click the link below to schedule a free estimate. No pressure, just honest advice from licensed pros. At Eco, we believe in educating first and selling second. Our goal is to help you make the best decision for your home, your energy bills, and your comfort. We hope this helped you get a clear sense of what a tankless water heater will really cost, and why it's a smart investment for the long haul. We'll see you next time.